It's really dark now, actually it's dusk. It's 7 o'clock, so I'm just going to try some more flights. I'm flying in mid mode as well. Trying to do knife edge. Yeah. Oh. Knife edge. Yeah. So time to land it. Yeah, that was cool. So some nighttime flying. It really is getting dark now. It is 7:16 and I did a knife edge briefly for just a few seconds. This plane doesn't really seem to want to do it, even in mid mode. I rolled it to port and I gave it a little bit of starboard rudder just to hold it like that. Also a little bit of elevator and controlled it with the throttle, and it did it for just a few seconds. And there wasn't too much wind, so that was fine. It is really dark now. Orientation is difficult and your eyesight doesn't go so nicely in the dark either. It really is dark here. Still, it's fun. My first nighttime flight. Look at that. That's telling me the receiver's on. So yeah, all good fun. My first nighttime flight.